Welcome to the fascinating world of information technology, where innovation and possibilities intersect to shape our digital future. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the ever-evolving landscape of IT. From cutting-edge technologies to the solutions that drive our interconnected world, we'll explore the transformative power of information technology and how it impacts our daily lives. So let's get started. Access YouTube Studio. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the YouTube homepage and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Upload video. In YouTube Studio, click the Videos tab on the left sidebar, and then click the Upload Video button at the top right. Select your video. You can either drag and drop your video file onto the upload page or click the Select Files button to browse your computer and choose the video file you want to upload. Video details. After selecting your video, you'll be prompted to add details. Title. Give your video a descriptive and engaging title. Description. Write a brief description of the video. Tags. Add relevant keywords that describe your video. Thumbnail. You can either choose an auto-generated thumbnail or upload a custom one. Configure other video settings, such as category. Select the appropriate category for your video. Language. Choose the primary language of your video. Recording date. If applicable, enter the date the video was recorded. License and distribution. Choose the license and distribution options for your video. Advanced settings. Click on the More Options link to access additional settings, including video location, age restriction, comments, and video recording date. Audience. Set your video as made for kids or not made for kids based on your content. This step is important to comply with COPPA regulations. Video premiere. Optional. If you want to schedule a premiere for your video, set the date and time under the Video Premiere section. As we wrap up our exploration of information technology, it's clear that IT is the backbone of our digital age, driving progress and connectivity in ways we could have only dreamed of in the past. We hope you found this journey through IT insightful and inspiring. Remember, the world of technology is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just beginning your journey,